I'm interested in, you're very experienced in creating machine learning models. You've done it in, I think, for a lot of clients and in a lot of kind of contexts. Can you just give some examples of where some of the models you've used and how you've applied MLOps to the development of those models?
We completed a project at Wayfair to predict delivery times for customer. Because Wayfair is a web shop where you can buy furniture and other household goods. So if you order, let's say, a piece of furniture, customers of course want to know how long it takes to get it. And that prediction is being made by a machine learning algorithm, and we have deployed that and in production. And now actually for every page that the customer is viewing, he actually gets a prediction in real time for this delivery time. So we used MLOps in that sense because we really put together a team of data scientists, machine learning engineers, data engineers together to build that service and to integrate it into the front end, and also to make this batch job to retrain the model on a weekly basis. Also, we set up quite some technology for that, of course, if you can imagine. So we used a combination of cloud-based tooling and databases and open source frameworks for training the model, and that's all being maintained in the same team.
That's great. That sounds really awesome. I think there's some details about that on the web somewhere, aren't there, Bas? I think I saw something the other day.
Yeah, maybe an interesting point to know is that what one of the things that we are really heavily making use of at Wayfair, but also at other companies already, is a feature store, which is actually a dedicated database to store your features for when you're training or scoring the model. And those can be really efficient because and really helpful, because normal databases cannot usually offer that capabilities of either producing the features very quickly when you're scoring the model, or actually producing a lot of those features in a historical perspective when you're training the model. And the feature store is a specific piece of technology that can do both, depending on your use case and on your question of the moment.
Yeah, I know we've spoken about that before. I know that you're really keen on that particular piece of technology. I can really see the benefit that can bring in terms of, not having to just create the warehouse and then the serving mechanism. You can create them both at the same time. So I think that's one to watch out for sure. And you definitely speak very highly of the experiences you've had.